Hi everyone, we've got another amazing update to the Full Scope Freelancer tools for you today. It used to be that if you were giving away a product through your online store or through an order form and it cost $0, customers nonetheless had to enter their payment information in order to process the order. We've now introduced a new toggle, so if you go to any funnel, website, online store, and head to the settings, we have this new option available where you can toggle the requirement for a credit card on and off. So this way, if you turn this off, people who pick up a product that either costs $0 or if they get a coupon code from you that gives them a certain product 100% off and it ends up costing $0, that they no longer have to enter their payment information in order to receive this product. This is going to help you obviously give away certain products and services much easier, less hurdles for your customers to jump through. So if you want to turn off the requirement for a credit card on a purchase of $0, just head to the settings of that website, again, website, funnel, online store, wherever it is you're selling something, and just toggle this off and click save. And then from there on out, anyone who's picking up a particular product for $0 simply has to fill in their email and their name, and they'll be able to grab it right away. If you have any questions about this new feature, reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help.